Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Dynamic SE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-split spoke alloy wheels with the gloss dark finish really complementing against the Santorini black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Taking a look at the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a huge amount of space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Moving through the rear seats now, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now, this vehicle does feature a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 23,670 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Perhaps if you can't, you have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have a 4x4 information, terrain response drive modes, ride height, and of course your weight sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. Pairing nicely with this, you also have a off-road feature on the camera, making it that bit more easier. And of course you also have your 3D view surround camera, allowing manoeuvring and reversing to be so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have a dual zone climate control, so you can easily adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as heated and ventilated front seats. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Dynamic SE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.